Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will perform the clash detection to find the interference between the ducts and beams in a model. To perform this tutorial, we will use this tutorial file. The following steps are required to complete this tutorial. Open the tutorial file, create selection sets, add test and select test items, specify rules for clash detection, perform the clash test, review clash results, save the clash report, and at the last, save the project. Now, we will open the tutorial file in the software. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and choose the Open button. The Open dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the folder NWS_2024. Then open the folder C08_Navisworks_2024_tut and select the tutorial file. Then choose the Open button. And the model is displayed in the scene view. Now, we will create the selection sets. Choose the Home tab and in the Select and Search panel, choose the Selection Tree tool. The Selection Tree window is displayed. In this window, expand this node file.nwc. Under this node, expand the node ground floor. And under the ground floor node, expand the node ducts. Then select the subnode round duct. And all the ducts are highlighted in the scene view. After this, we will open the sets window. Choose the Home tab and in the Select and Search panel, open the Sets drop-down list and choose the option Manage Sets. The Sets window is displayed. In this window, choose this button, Save Selection, and you will see a selection set is created. Rename it as Ducts and press Enter. Now, again open the Selection Tree window and expand the No Level node. And under the No Level node, select the subnode Structure Framing. Now again open the Sets window and choose the button Save Selection. And a selection set is created. Now rename it as Beams and press Enter. After this, we will add the test and select Test Items. Choose the Home tab and in the Tools panel, choose the Clash Detective tool. And you will see the Clash Detective window is displayed. In this window, choose this button Add Test. And you will see a new test named Test1 is added in the test panel. Rename the test one as Ducts versus Beams. And press Enter. After this, choose the Select tab and then in the Section A area of this tab, open the drop-down list and select the option Sets. And in the Section B area, open the drop-down and select the option Sets. And you can see the created selection sets are displayed in both the areas of the window. Next, select Ducts in Selection A area and in Selection B area, select Beams. After this, we will specify the rules for the clash detection. Choose the Rules tab and ensure that items in same layer checkbox is selected from the predefined rules displayed in the window. Now, we will perform the clash test. Again choose the Select tab and in the Settings area, ensure that Hard option is selected in the Type drop-down list. Now, choose this button Run Test and you will see the result tab is displayed with the clash results and the summary is displayed in the test panel. After this, we will review the clash results. In the results tab, go to the highlighting area of the display settings panel and ensure that item 1 and item 2 buttons are chosen. Also ensure that demother button is chosen in the isolation area of this panel. Next, we have to select these checkboxes, transparent dimming and auto reveal. As you can see, these are already selected. Next, in the viewpoint drop-down list, choose the option auto update and select this checkbox animate transition. Here it is already selected. Now, select the clash on result in the result table and the corresponding clash items are displayed in the scene view. After this, click in the status column corresponding to the clash on result and a drop-down list is displayed. Select the reviewed option from this list and in the display settings panel, from this drop-down in the highlighting area, select the option View Status Color. And you will see the clashed item gets highlighted in the color assigned for the clash results. Now, we have to repeat this procedure followed in steps 1 to 7 and view all the clash results from class 2 to class 14. Like this, you have to review all the clash results. And you can see the clash items get highlighted. Now you can see all the clash results are reviewed. After this, we will save the clash views. Choose the review tab and in the markup panel, open the drop-down list and choose the cloud proof. And you will see the cursor changes into a pencil cursor. Now, in the clash detective window, select clash 1 and then draw the cloud like this around the clash items. After this, choose the text tool from the markup panel and then place the cursor inside the cloud and click. You will see Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2024 dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, enter clashed items. And choose the OK button. You will see the text is added. We have to repeat this procedure followed in steps 1 to 4 and save all the other clash views. Clash 2. From the markup panel, choose the cloud tool. Then draw the cloud. Then choose the text tool. Click inside the cloud and enter clashed items. Then choose the OK button. Again, in the Clash Detective window, choose Clash 3. Then choose the Cloud tool. Draw the cloud. Then choose the Text tool and enter Clashed items. Clash 4. Draw the cloud. Then enter the text, Clashed items. Clash 5. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Clash 6. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Clash 7. Draw the cloud. Then enter the text, Clashed items. Clash 8. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Then Clash 9. Draw the cloud. Enter the text, Clashed items. Clash 10. Draw the cloud. Enter the text, Clashed items. Clash 11. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Clash level. Draw the cloud. Then enter the text. Clash starting. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Clash 14. Draw the cloud. And enter the text. Now, we have saved all the clashed views. After this, we will create the clash report. Open the clash detective window. And choose the report tab. In this tab, in the contents area and in the include these statuses area, ensure that all the checkboxes are selected. Now, in the output settings area, ensure that current test option is selected in the report type drop-down list. And in the report format drop-down list, select the option HTML tabular. Now, choose the button Write Report. The Save As dialog box is displayed. Save the file as file name. Clash report underscore tut1 and choose the Save button. The clash report is saved. Now, we will save the project. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and from the application menu, choose the Save As option. The Save As dialog box is displayed. Save the file as file name C08 underscore Navisworks underscore 2024 underscore tut1 and choose the Save button. The file is saved. Now, we will browse to the clash report location and open the clash report. After doing this tutorial, now we know how to perform clash detection to find the interference between the ducts and beams in a model, how to create selection sets, how to add test and select the test items, how to specify the rules for the clash detection, and how to review clash results. And we also know how to create the clash report.